Today we'll talk about how can you change your name on your Clapper app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click on this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on your photo profile. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on name. So then here can you change your name here. It's going to show for you like this, and here can you change your name in this list. When you down, all you have to do, you just go above save, click on it. Then here automatically it's going to save with you or change your name with you here on your Clapper app. I'm going to for example, I'm going to add this name here. Then you click on save, then automatically it's going to save with you. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.